up, everybody? It's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to hard reset your iPhone 12 Pro and Max. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is make sure your volume button up, down, and lock button works. So push the volume button up, down, hold the lock button. Continue to hold the lock button until your phone completely turns off. Once you see your phone turn off and you see the Apple logo, you can let go. Continue to hold. You can now let go. This process takes about 40 seconds. If you guys are new here, subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications. And there you guys go, your phone has been hard resetted.